How to turn off read receipts on Instagram. Let's get started. Open the Instagram app and tap your profile icon. Then tap the three-line menu in the top right corner. Now tap Messages and Story Replies. Next, select Show Read Receipts. Simply turn the Show Read Receipts toggle off. Once this setting is disabled, people won't be able to see when you've read their Instagram messages. Remember that when you turn off read receipts, you also won't be able to see when other people have read your messages. If you want to enable read receipts again later, just return to the same setting and turn the toggle back on. And that's it. That's how you can turn off read receipts on Instagram. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Instagram tips, messaging guides, and step-by-step tutorials.